Welcome to our video, where we will address the question, who am I? This is level 1, focusing on expressing self and personal identity in Arabic. In this section, we will learn the rules of self-introduction in Arabic. Specifically, you will learn how to express your profession and your home country using modern standard Arabic. Let's begin by discussing the first person and second person pronouns. The first person pronoun is ana, meaning I or I am, used for both male and female speakers without any linguistic change. The second person pronoun is enta for masculine and enti for feminine, both meaning you. Now, let's look at the profession of a student, talibun for male or talibatun for female. Remember that the feminine ta marbuta is always added to the end of a word to convert a masculine adjective or profession into its feminine form. Next is the profession of a teacher, muallimun for male and muallimatun for female. This word is derived from the verb allima, which means to teach, and refers to an academic instructor who transfers knowledge and language in an interactive way. The profession of a doctor is tabibun for male and tabibatun for female. This noble profession comes from the root taba, meaning to treat and mend. We use it with the pronoun ana to say ana tabibun, or I am a doctor. Here are other common professions. We have muhandisun or engineer, mumarridun or nurse, and muhasibun or accountant. Notice the corresponding icon for each profession. Moving on to expressing your home country. This is essential information, represented by 100%. We use the preposition meaningful in ada, which means from, to indicate the starting point and the speaker's original country. For example, ana min Misra, or I am from Egypt. Let's use an example of a country and city, Barcelona in Spain, or Barcelona, España. Remember that when writing foreign cities and countries in modern standard Arabic, the spelling accurately mimics the original phonetic pronunciation using clear Arabic letters. This comprehensive vocabulary list provides the Arabic word, its transliteration, meaning in English, and its grammatical type for quick reference. Our learning roadmap includes 4 steps. First, master the pronoun ana and correct Arabic letter pronunciation. Second, choose the right job title and adjust for feminine forms. Third, use the preposition min with your country. Fourth, construct your full sentence and speak fluently with peers. Our final interactive goal is to be able to successfully construct and say, Ana talibun min Barcelona, or I am a student from Barcelona.